Hi, today we are talking about the topic Gita Renewable Energy. This stock is down in 1 year or 1 year after for giving the 4,130% giving for returns. So in share market is giving the so many people are making for use money in share market. So you also make money in the share market. This stock is giving for the in 1 year for the 4,130%. Imagine you are this stock is 1 year before share price the 6 rupees. You are 6 rupees to you are buying for 1,000 rupees. It becomes for the investment for the 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees per the 1,000 shares. That now that share price is the 1 year after that share price is the 233 rupees. 233 rupees into calculate for the 1,000 shares. It becomes for the 2,33,000 rupees. To you imagine you are small proportion of amount to small proportion of amount just 6,000 rupees investment for giving for the 40 times of returns and giving for the 2,33,000 rupees. You are for 40 times of returns for your investment to giving for the returns in 2,33,000 rupees. You are so you are just investing in 6,000 of the small proportion of amount is giving for the 2,33,000 rupees. That is the bulk of amount. These create your passive income, and these also create for your passive income. Today it becomes now one of income is not enough to lead for the standard of life living. So create for the create this passive income and another way of income also for this, and learn share market and research for share market, and you also invest in the share market and earn money here. So many persons today are rich persons are investing for the share market in the money. So in like go and search in the rich persons like Jeff Bezos, Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, and Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. So many persons. Warren Buffett is making for in 60 years of entire 90% of wealth is 90% of wealth is earning for in the share market. But it's the share market is giving for the times your times how much of times you are holding in that stock. That times of amount that times of amount is giving for the returns. So imagine so you are here making billions of money here. So many persons. So you are also start as well as soon as well as early you start. You also make more money because and don't intra-trading and trade to trade, because that is risky, because every day is not going on profits, every day is not making profits. So some of the days are going on losses. So that's why don't make for the short term profits, because short term money is going on in short time. So choose for the long term investment, and long term investment giving for the long time and giving for the big returns. So that's why choose for the long time returns. Don't trading for the intra trading or the trade to trade, because that is risky. You are losing the money. So don't trade, because and lack of knowledge to don't invest the money. When you are lack of invest to invest, you are proper invest in proper research to investing the money, you are losing the money. So that's why don't without research, without learning the stock market, don't invest, because you are losing the money. When don't lose money, so learn the stock market and do research on the business around the business market capitalization, profit earning ratio, balance sheet, and earning per share. I'll also research for that, and that the business is going on public is that business is necessary in the public. That product, the business product is the use demand in the product or not, is going how much profits year by year, quarterly is making quarterly, and year by year is how much of profit is making, and all around research, and then invest that money. Then as the stock is right to that stock is right to invest, and then invest. Okay, and don't without research invest money, because when you are losing the money. So that's why. And financial today's many ways of income is necessary to live standard of life living. So that's why create your passive income for the share market and the share market. So that's the video in front of share market, giving for the more returns. Videos are coming for in this channel, and do subscribe for this channel. And now so many of stocks are giving in the 1 year for the 4,000%, 5,000%, 10,000%, 1,000%, 8%, how much? So that's depending on the business demand, in the business demand, business making profits, productions, all is depending for the return, how much of returns is giving in the average is going for the 100% is 100%, 50% is average, 50% is average giving for the every year. So that is the so that's the video. And you also, and so don't short term is not giving money, is this the long term goal, and fixed long term goal, and make money and create financial freedom. That's the video. And do subscribe for this channel, and in front of so many contents of the share market videos are coming for in this channel. And thank you for watching this video.